Hello everyone, dihangi ko kamo sa pag-download sa akong app, Zipper. Para makabook na ta sa atong mga foodies o mga deliveries gusto ninyo ipa-deliver sa inyong balay. So download now, app Zipper.
Consultant means the ex-Zipper, but then we're the one behind.
Consultant founder.
All Philippines.
Kala ni, because of kanabitang paspas kayo dagan.
Yeah.
Zip ba? Zip. Pero gi-socialize lang, gi-ZE lang. Zipper. Zipper.
Paspas na delivery.
Sa Chinese, ang meaning sa Z is generosity, and yung pure blessing. Generosity and blessing.
Actually, covered me sa transportation, ride hailing. Ang three categories may first is ride hailing. Ang among transportation is na may delivery, na ipabili, and like Uber and Grab na ride hailing. Then the second one is kanang foodie, na may restaurants, food ordering, grocery, and like an e-commerce. Then the third category is services. So general services for online na siya. So what is those general services? Kanama electrician, plumber, masahista, barber, and laundry shop. So mana cover na ito na tanan. So we are all in one app ang kanang Zipper. Actually, we're growing up every day. Si may increase of merchant, and the same way with the provider, kana itong mga rider. So every day growing up me about
users.
And users also. Officially started ang Zipper last January 8.
Diri sa Cebu.
Sa Cebu. Ano?
Sa Manila, November.
November sa Manila. But then the system nag-work out last August pa ang first live sa app. But then from August up to now, nag-improve sa system, ganay mga improvement which is nag-suggest ang mga team na which is unsay para sa mga users.
300 plus sa Cebu, 300 plus sa Cebu. Sa Manila, 100 plus.
So, pasabot na 300 plus na merchant is individual na siya. Wala patoy labo tong multiple.
Users sa Manila, 1,000 plus na.
Check na.
1,000 plus po na Cebu, mga users.
Yeah.
Increase.
Sige, increase.
Everyday man na.
Para sa official launching na to, itong January 8, naka-achieve me within a month almost 1,500. Then including with riders. But right now, the riders is around 2,000 plus. The whole Philippines, Manila.
Download Zipper apps now.